Fifa Mobile. I've got 25 packs, so let's jump into this. I think we'll just start with, I'll leave the GoPro one to last, probably. Open pack. These are just going to be tokens, probably. There is a chance of a token, but I never get them. I'm going to trade these in for a totty pack. And I've got enough to get one. I should have opened a bunch of these. But there is potential. It says that you can get an inform, but I've never got one in one of these. But we can get one in one of these. Oh, come on. Here we get another dynamite token. Add to plan. When we get 10, that means we get a pack that's guaranteed as a totty. Last time I got one, I got a 77 left back. And I've actually got him in my team. I just decided to put him in my team. But here we go. Okay. Another Team of the Week pack. And we get another Team of the Week token. Just add that to plan. Open another one of these. Okay. One. Another Team of the Week token. Okay, we're almost close to 10. We just gotta get like one more of these, I think. Then we have enough. Okay. So I think we'll be opening one of those packs right now. Yep. Oh, add and claim. Should we just open it now? Open it right now. Come on, which inform are we going to get? Okay, let's see.
77 rating. He's 77 rating.
Come on, if all the totties you can give me. It's an inform.
It's a Team of the Week.
Just gotta look at the positive. It's an inform. What was these packs? These are actually going to be. These are really good. I opened them before to give you like, I don't know, like, to give you
That's
these.
right.
Oh my
100,000
gosh.
coins. 100,000 coins. That's 100,000 coin elite token.
100,000 coins.
Look at that. It's not
Oh
fake.
my gosh,
How do you
guys.
fix that?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I don't believe I got that.
Guys. Oh my gosh. No way. 100,000 coins. Oh my gosh, in the first of these packs. Oh my gosh, I'm speechless. No. Look, that's, oh my gosh. That is probably the best pack I've ever opened in these packs. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Oh my word. That is actually ridiculous. Oh. 150. Come on. Oh my word. I am speechless, man. Oh my gosh. You don't know how happy I am right now, guys. Oh yes, that's good. Nice pack opening. Oh my gosh, this is going great. Oh my word. What a pack opening. Didn't expect it to be this good. Oh my gosh. Another 2,500 coins. Bang. I only got 2 more of these left, but I don't even got 100,000 coins. That is ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous, guys. Oh my gosh.
Guys?
That is absolutely ridiculous, guys. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay. Oh, good. But we got these. They're like single though. You only get, well, they're as good as the others from personal experience. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I have a real little. I think I have. Okay. I don't believe that, guys. 100,000 ticket stub, I think I'll put in the tail. Or at least 10,000 on ticket stub. 500 coins. 500 what? 100,000! Ah! What is that? 100,000! Oh my gosh! Guys, come on! That is absolutely great. So great, it's quite great. If you got bring back what? Yes, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. That has been the best pack opening I think I've ever gotten. I could quick sell him. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic,
Not
guys.
having the ticket stub.
Look at that. 100,000 coins. What else do I do with it? I'm not going to quick sell it, but what about this? Look, let's see how much coins you've actually. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Boys. Guys, thank you guys for watching this pack opening. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and goodbye. Whoa, what pack opening.